Hello audience, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time we will see some dangerous events in this very extreme path. But before that, Saiyan want to greet you all first. How are you all today? May God always give good things to all my audience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment wherever you are this time. Okay viewers, starting with the video of congestion that occurred on this path. Today is a very chaos day once. Many unexpected events recorded in front of the eyes. Happy watching. At the beginning of the video, we will see this truck box failed in the uphill in a state of very slippery road. And this truck was so very long. Our team here cyber-guide him to retreat slowly. But I don't know what happened. Even though we have guided it well, this truck still hit the side of the road barrier on the back of the truck. Really beyond our expectations.
Tema.
This time we will see one of the trucks that a few days ago had an accident. This truck used to haul coal, but the unlucky day is not on the calendar. See how the impact happened to this truck. The cabin is damaged and no longer precise. I hope this kind of incident will no longer happen in the future. Do good for you all here. The next incident was a truck that also failed to turn this corner. Look how his helper worked propping his tires. It's a very risky work. Next, a truck that experienced a miscalculation. Do too lightly consider this path. So stuck in the middle of the climb. Lucky you this time can still survive. We don't know what really happened to this truck. The load was empty this time, but somehow the trouble also rose on this climb. Help answer viewers. Guess what the problem of this truck?
Dor. Yuk 1, 2, 3 yuk.
A minibus almost hit by a heavily loaded truck. Really bad driver behavior.
Jangan licin bang, yo jangan licin bang, hati-hati bang. Bagi abang yang pengendara mobil,
Ya.
dan truk, Honda bang, Honda yang.
And this is the longest process this time. The beginning of a fuel truck that failed to pass this bend, followed by a truck loaded with cement. Both of them are equally stuck and experience very long obstacles, especially this cement truck. Okay viewers, so first our video this time. Subscribe to this channel for updates on the next extreme road. Thanks.
Cái này pinggang nữa. Cái này nữa, cái này nữa.
Mundur lu lagi ke sebelah kanan jalan dua. Mundur kita minta dulu.
Kan itu deh.
Hanya untuk dulu.
Ancak bataduh lepak pol.
Oi, ambil betul yang leng ah. Leng. Sakit betul.
Paralel lah.
Oh, dah pakai